Good afternoon, ma'am.
Who is this without school uniform? Tapan. Tapan, why without school uniform?
No, ma'am. Uniform.
Good afternoon, Chalan.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So I'll be calling your names. You give me your attendance, and then we will be talking about our part. Section A, I will start with Ahana Mante, Aditi Nayak.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Ahana, I can't see you on your video. Show me your face and then mute it. No, I can't see you. Aditi Nayak. Adya Samanti. Adya Samanti.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ahana Patnaik.
Present, ma'am.
Bhavna Jaina. Bhavna, are you there? Chirabdi.
Present, ma'am.
Namrata. Nirali.
Amma sure green screen को use कर दो तुम.
Nirali, are you there? Purvasa. Ritika.
Present, ma'am.
Shamidha.
Present, ma'am.
Samiksha.
Present, ma'am.
Shruti Rekha. Shruti Rekha, are you there? No. Shipra Swagatika.
Present, ma'am.
Smriti Panna.
Present, ma'am.
Shritika.
Present, ma'am.
Shuchi Lagna. Not there. Swarupa Mishra. Akanksha Adidev. Who? Swarupa Mishra present. Okay. Akanksha Adidev. Adarsh Ansuman Raj.
Sorry, ma'am, to interrupt, ma'am. This is Namrata Parida, and I am also present.
Who are you?
Ma'am,
Namrata-
Namrata Parida.
Yes, I
Section
got
A.
Namrata. Who else present?
Ma'am, me, Nirali.
Purva Sharai.
Nirali, if you are present, no harm, you can type in the chat, I will see it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Don't worry. I'll mark you present. Adarsh Ansuman.
Present, ma'am.
Adarsh Ansuman Raj present. Akanksha Adideva, I marked you absent. Are you there? No. Aditya Narayan Barik? No. Aditya Naik? Amrit Panda?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Anuva Pond? Abhijit Mohanty?
Present, ma'am.
Abhiram Sahu?
Present, ma'am.
And Ayushman Das?
Present, ma'am.
Ayushman Sahu?
Present, ma'am.
Dityansu Parida?
Present, ma'am.
Dibyansu Ranjan Sahu?
Present, ma'am.
Hilit Patnaik?
Present, ma'am.
J. Arpit Das? No. Manas Panda?
Present, ma'am.
Nikhil Naik?
Present, ma'am.
Nishit Ranjan Das?
Present, ma'am.
Om Prakash Patra? Om Prakash, are you present? No. Partha Sarathi? Purva Sarai
Present,
present?
Yes, ma'am, I'm present.
Purva Sarai, okay. Partha Sarathi not here?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Piyush?
Present, ma'am.
Prabhu Datta?
Present, ma'am.
Pratik Ranvira? Pratyanshu Sahu?
Present, ma'am.
Priya Marup?
बाजीला नहीं क्यों?
Present, ma'am.
Kulin Mahapatra?
Present, ma'am.
Sai Kamal Hota? Samir Sethi?
Present, ma'am.
Shravan Patnaik? Samir Sethi is present?
Yes, ma'am. Present. Yes, ma'am. Shravan.
Shravan. Shubham Das? Shubham Das, are you there? Siddharth Das?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Siddharth Shankar Singh?
Present, ma'am.
Shohan Mohanty?
Present, ma'am.
Saptik Mathan?
Present, ma'am.
Soumya Roshan Behra?
कहीं पे सैम कहीं
Present, ma'am.
Shubham Khuntia? Shubham Khuntia, are you there?
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Surya Prakash Sangram Singh?
Present, ma'am.
Tapan Pati?
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Dhanraj Das?
Present, ma'am.
Whose mic is on? Muted. Going to section B now. Vijay Darshini. Mute your mic, children. Creating disturbance. Vijay Darshini.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Gargi.
Present, ma'am.
Ipshita. Ishika.
Present, ma'am.
Madhusmita.
Present, ma'am.
Alishka.
Present, ma'am.
Mugdashri. I couldn't see your face. Anybody giving any proxy for anybody else? Mugdashri, are you there? No proxy, nothing. If you are present, give me attendance. Otherwise, show your face and give me attendance. Mugdashri. Okay, absent. Pragya Paramita. Priti Priyambada,
भाई इसके
Priyanka
मन
Nayak A.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Priyanka Nayak B. Priyanshi Panda,
Present, ma'am.
Priyanshi Pradhan, Sankalpa Mamte,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Jyoti Smita Kishan,
Present, ma'am.
Shraddha Bishi,
Present, ma'am.
Shreya Mishra,
Present, ma'am.
Amar Chauhan, Amar Chauhan, are you there?
Present, ma'am.
Aniket Sahu,
Ma'am, taken TC.
Aniket Sahu taken TC. Still his name is there. Anyhow, I'll mark it. Vyamkesh Biswar,
Present, ma'am.
Chinmay Mahapatra. Chinmay Mahapatra, are you there? Dhanraj Naik. Chinmay Mahapatra there, okay. Dhanraj. Jyotiraditya.
Present, ma'am.
Lipun Bishay. Show your face, not all this cartoon.
Present, ma'am.
Lipun Bishay present. Moha Karman Champati.
Present, ma'am.
Plavan Patnaik. Dhanraj Naik is absent, I hope.
बन रहा
Ma'am, Dhananjay Naik.
Ma'am, his name is Dhananjay.
Okay, this is Dhananjay. Okay. Dhananjay Naik, are you there?
Ma'am, I think he's absent.
Absent, okay. Then coming to Plavan. Plavan, are you there? No. Priyanshu Raut.
Present, ma'am.
Ryan sir.
Present, ma'am.
Sai Vignesh Mishra.
present ma'am.
Satvik Sri Rudraj.
Present, ma'am.
Satyajit Manta.
Present, ma'am.
Satyajit Palta Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Satyarth Kumar.
Present, ma'am.
Satyarth, are you there? I will like to see your face. Satyarth, are you there? On your video. Be smart, not over smart. Somnath Sahu. Somnath Sahu. Somnath Sahu, are you there? No. Pandan Das.
Present, ma'am.
Shubhranshu Paley. Shubhranshu Paley, are you there? Shubhranshu Murmu.
Present, ma'am.
Sumit Panda.
Present, ma'am.
Swastik Manti.
Present, ma'am.
Swayambhu Bopadi.
Present ma'am.
Tushar Lakra.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. The first August, whatever class we had, it was only a testing class, it seems. How I will be clear to you how you are going to interact and all. Today we will know each other, and this will be, what is this? Okay, Shruti Rekha joined late. No harm. Let me mark it first. Shruti Rekha. Okay. Akansh Adideva is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then who else late? Akansh. Soumya Roshan. I think Soumya Roshan had given
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
You had given me.
Yes, ma'am. I had told. Present.
Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All mark only. Shubham Das, are you present? Shubham Das, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Present.
Okay. Shubham Das, then Sai Kamal Hota. Sai Kamal Hota? No. Pratik Ranvira? Pratik Ranvira, are you there? No. Then J. Arpit Das. J. Arpit Das, no. Only those who are marked absent, I'm calling their name. Anubhav Puhan. No. Aditya Naik. Aditya Narayan Barik. Suchi Lagna Padhi.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Then coming to Bhavna Jaina.
Present, ma'am.
Section B. Mugdasri. Pragya Paramita. Priti Priyambada.
Present, ma'am.
Both are present.
Yes, ma'am.
Priyanka Naik B. No. Dhananjay Naik. No. Lavan Patnaik. Shubhranshu Pallai. I think he had. Okay, Shubhranshu is present, but are you not there right now? Somnath Sahu. No answer. Shubhranshu Pallai, you gave me attendance, then gone away somewhere or what?
Ma'am, I was present, but due to internet problem, I was disconnected.
Acha. Yeah. Then Somnath Sahu, are you there? Okay. Now going to our studies. Now listen me, children. I have already sent you in the WhatsApp group what chapter is deleted. Did you mark it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now deleted does not mean that we will not read about it. We will go through it in detail, but I will not set questions on that chapter for the test. Okay? Like your Euclid's geometry is deleted, but without that you cannot prove the theorems. So you have to, that is what I have discussed with you vividly in our WhatsApp group. Still, for these deleted chapters, you have any doubt, you can ask me. Now, chapter by chapter, one by one, I'll go on asking. For any chapter, any part you have doubt, you can ask me. Whatever completed so far now, what to be completed up to 15th of August, that already uploaded in our site. Did you see this? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to number system, you have got irrational numbers, real numbers and their decimal expansion, representing real numbers on the number line, operations on real numbers, laws of exponents for real numbers. These are the different parts, subparts of your number system. In any part you have got any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, I will like to give you some extra instructions. Any doubt in any part, Chalan, from first chapter, number system?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Now answer me. If you have no doubt, do answer my question now. In two different phases in your book, it is given to you how to represent the square root of the whole numbers as well as the square root of the decimal numbers. Are these two constructions or presentation on the number line same? Or you have not marked it? People do ask me, ma'am, why separately at two different places it is given? First of all, you have to understand the basic difference. Have you understood it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will answer me this?
Ma'am, can you ask the question once again?
Unmute your mic and then tell me. Priyansi, tell me what you want to say. No answers?
Ma'am, can you ask the question once again?
I want to know that there are representation of whole numbers on the number line given in the book, as well as the decimal square root of decimal numbers also given. Do you understood the difference between the two?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the difference? That I want to know. Both are same for you? I hope you are not clear about my question. Look here. I'm asking, suppose square root of 5.8 and square root of 5. Are these two presentations same on the number line? Are these two
No.
same on the line?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
What is the
No,
difference
ma'am.
that I wanted to know?
No, ma'am.
What is the difference? Who will answer me? First, Chalan. What is the difference?
Ma'am, the results are different.
No, I couldn't hear you. Could you hear me, Chalan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not getting any answer from you. Are these two representations on the number line same or not? You said they are not same.
No.
If
No,
not
ma'am.
same, what is the difference?
Ma'am, both the results are different from each other.
One at a time. One at a time.
Ma'am, both the results are different from each other.
What way difference? What is the difference? Both are
Ma'am, the
representation
results are
of.
different.
Tell me.
Ma'am, the results are different from each other.
No. The procedures are also different. Why procedures are different?
Because
Ma'am,
one is
please
a
can
whole
you
number
explain
and another is a decimal number.
Listen me. If you are not clear, you are getting confused. You are not giving a clear answer about it. Now say, if suppose I had shown you root 5. Root 5 is the square root of a whole number. Okay. You directly show it on the number line. Whereas if you want to find out the square root of a decimal number, separately you find it out taking the same units and then you mark it on the number line. So the procedures are different. And if it is given to you root 7, that is also square root of whole number. But what you do? You find out square root of 5 and then basing that line to be the baseline, you go on finding it out in different steps. But some numbers are there which can be broken into sum of squared numbers. Like I had shown you, can you see the board Chalan there? What I have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that written? I had written root of 17. Root of 17 can be written as root of 16 and 1 or not? Can I break 17
Yeah.
to 16 plus 1?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Then what is the benefit am I going to get if I break it? 16
Ma'am,
is the
because
square
root
of a
16
whole number 4. And
Yes,
1
ma'am.
is also a squared number.
Yes,
Similarly,
ma'am.
5
Yes,
if I
ma'am.
have written, I can break
4
it
plus 1. Root 4 plus 1.
square root of 4 plus 1. Okay.
Yes. Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
what
Yes,
benefit
ma'am.
are we going to get it? Suppose it is root of 17. Take the normal number line as I've shown you 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we have shown it as 16 plus 1, what way are we going to use it? We use the Pythagorean triplet formula. So, what we get? 4 square is 16 and 1 square is 1. I can take on the horizontal line 4 units and then draw one perpendicular line. On that I can mark 1. Then joining this hypotenuse, it gives me root of 17. Okay? Why? 4 square is 16, 1 square is 1. So root of sum of these squares. Similarly for 5, you are not going to show root 2, then root 3, then root 4, then root 5. No. Directly you can take in one step. You take the number line 0, 1, 2, 3. We don't need more than this for root 5. Why? Because I have broken to 4 plus 1. 4 is the square of 2. So I can take the perpendicular line at 2 and then mark 1 unit here and then join. This is my root 5. Agree? Suppose I have
Yes, ma'am.
taken 2 here on the horizontal line. And on the vertical line, I have taken only 1 unit. Is it necessary I will take only 2 on the horizontal? No. It is up to your choice. You can take horizontally 1 also and 2 vertically also. Then what the figure will be like? Like here, this is 0, 1, 2, 3. I can take the perpendicular line at 1 also, but I have to stick to these 2 numbers only. At 1, I will construct this perpendicular, then mark y 2. Now join it and then give your, here also give your, it will be between 2 and 3, here also it will be between 2 and 3. Either or you can take. Here also the same thing. You can take at 1 also the perpendicular and vertically you can take 4. Some numbers which can be broken into sum of 2 squared numbers, you can take it in one step only. This advantage, suppose it is root 17 given, in one step you got it. Suppose root 19 given. What will you do? Root 17 in one step you got, then here you will take one vertical line on this base at this point, then root 18, then root 19. In 3 steps you'll get it. Otherwise you'll go on finding out one after another, and it will be wastage of time. So always try to use some tricks also. Without tricks you cannot do it in your stipulated time and your work cannot go fast. Okay? Then apart from this, what I felt children may be having doubt, I asked. From your side, if you find any difficulty, do ask me from chapter 1 number system. Otherwise, we'll go to second chapter. No doubt? No doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay, going to polynomials, find any difficulty?
No, ma'am.
No. Then going to coordinate geometry, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Linear equation in two variables?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then coming to Euclid's geometry chapter is deleted. But you have to go through the axioms and postulates. Postulates are purely for your geometry. That's the difference between the two. Otherwise, axioms are applicable to geometry as well as general cases also. We will be not framing any questions on this deleted chapter. But without that, you cannot prove some of the theorems, not all, some of the theorems you use it. Like your fifth postulate gives rise to, who will tell me, gives rise to what? No one gone through it? No answers?
What?
Priyam, tell me what you want to say.
Ma'am, can you repeat the questions?
Fifth postulate gives rise to what? What do you accept from the fifth postulate? It's your parallel line. What is it? No one understood it, says. That means none of you have gone through it. Still, you can go through it. If you find any difficulty, you can ask me. You can ask me in the group also. I will answer you. Followed? Now coming to lines and angles. Lines and angles are very easy but a vast chapter. This chapter, each part is used for the next chapters. In maximum places we use this chapter. But I've got a base for so many other chapters. If you find any difficulty for any particular question or any general thing, you can ask me. Even in the group, if you ask, I'll answer you. Now, any doubt? No? Then coming to triangles. We have started this quadrilaterals. Before that, I just want to go one by one. Triangles, when you go to triangles, I will like to ask you, what is it? It's a plane shape which is bounded by three straight line segments, right? Now, in general, when we see a triangle, it's a polygon. Poly means many, gon means side. Many-sided figure. If you say many-sided figure means it is having some angle at the point where it is turning. Here you see I have just drawn a figure. That is also some curved line segments are joined. Can we call this figure to be a polygon?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Why?
No, ma'am.
Sir, it is not closed.
Because this figure is not found by the combination of straight line segments. And the smallest polygon is your triangle. Why? If I take two line segments, here I have drawn two line segments. Can I get any shape? Can it be?
No.
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Whether it will become a line segment only. So the smallest polygon is your triangle. When you take triangle, we say there are some parts in triangle. How many parts do you say, children? And taking which thing into consideration, you speak about the parts? It's a short question, children. How many parts are there in a triangle?
And 3 sides, 3 vertices,
Ma'am,
3
it has
angles.
3 sides, 3 angles,
I
and 3
already
vertices.
asked you. No, I'm not
Three
asking
angles.
your answer. Can anybody try for some separate answers? There are 6 parts, children. we do not consider the three vertices. Of course, they are major part in the construction of triangle, but when we speak about the parts, they are not included. Otherwise, we could have said there are 9 parts. Why 6 parts? There is a reason for that also. What is that reason? You must have seen the types of triangles. When we decide, it is divided into 2 parts. One part is basing on sides, one part is basing on angles.
Angles.
Agree to that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Basing on angles, what you get? Acute angle triangle, right triangle.
Obtuse
Acute
angle
angle
triangle.
triangle.
Understood?
Right angle triangle.
Right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle. These are the triangles you get basing on the angles. Similarly, basing on the sides, what you get? Equilateral triangle,
Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle.
scalene triangle, right. Now, using these vertices, we are not going to use it in any other means. So, they are not included in the part.
Ma'am.
Am I audible?
Hello,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you have any doubt, you can post me in the group. I will answer you. We are going to fall short of time. I'm just going to wind up in some more minutes. If you find difficulty, do ask me. Now, as I have discussed with you, why this triangular shape is used for construction of big monuments, big structures. Why it is so? Have you ever tried with it? I think in class 6, if you have done this experiment, no.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You have done it?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I?
Have you tested it? Pressing from one angle, triangular shape does not change. Whereas your quadrilaterals, your pentagon, your hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, all this polynomials will be changing its shape if you give pressure at one end, and the angles will be changed. But once a triangle is formed, you cannot change even though you give pressure at any vertex. Have you checked it? No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Those who have not checked, they can take equal size or different size sticks, toothpicks, or your broomsticks, join them with these bulb tubes, and then can test it. If not, if possible, if I can get it, I have this in the school. If possible, I'll get it from the school and show you. Okay? Or I'll make it and show you. Okay?
Okay,
Now,
ma'am.
coming to quadrilateral, if you have any doubt, do ask me. Whatever, we have not gone to any exercise so far now. We are only dealing with some theorems. And even in triangles, because in your book, NCERT book, you get all the basics, but implementations are not much given. Exemplar, NCERT
Ma'am, your
exam.
voice is not clear.
It's audible.
Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
it's audible.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If these applications you are not able to solve, then you cannot answer any question given to you. Like a question I had given in the Saturday's test, that was number 7, basing on a theorem. Very few children have answered it correctly. That should mean this is you said from Adisama you are doing these questions. It's a Adisama theorem. It's an application of a theorem of triangle. D is a point on BC, AD bisects angle A.